what's up? How are you all? I hope everyone are doing good, and I'm doing good also. Please let me know like how you guys are in the comment section below. Okay, fine. Today I have a new and interesting video, of course. So usually we'd be having so many sarees, right? Like outdated sarees in which we like it, but even though we like it, we can't use it, right? So as it is a trend of converting old sarees into new anarkalis or lehengas, whatever, so even I tried the same thing by converting my sister's, mine and my mother's sarees into long gowns. Okay, I have some collection. I wanted to show you guys like how I have customized it into. Okay, let's get into the video. I hope you will like it. Okay, let's go. Very first one, actually that's my favorite color. Okay, I wanted to show you. Can you see it? Super duper cool color, right? So it's onion color, and this is my sister's favorite saree. Usually she upgrade her wardrobe once in a year, so she got bored of this, I think. So she just wanted this to be discarded, and we were supposed to give it to some other people, but actually I like this color a lot, so I wanted to stitch it as a anarkali gown. So for that I have chosen this saree. Okay, let's open it. Can you see it? So over here, this is the pallu. The pallu, I have made it in the top section. Pallu one, and this is 3/4 sleeves, and if you can see, only in the top we can get the design, and in the center part it's just the border I have made it, and rest it's plain as you can see. Good, na? Huh? And it is 3/4 sleeve. It comes over here till here. Yeah. And if you can see the back, see, it's round neck, and with a thread and latkan. Okay, this is what. Let me stand up and show you guys how it looks. Have you seen it? Sanika, for sure, I think you will scold me. Please don't message me in personal that you want this dress and all. No, I am not going to give you. This is discarded one, and I have turned up into the new one. And this is my favorite one. As I told you, I really loved this color, onion one, and it is really hard to get some kind of colors in in anarkalis and long gowns here. Aside, okay, the second one. Oh my god, you will really wonder by seeing this. If you can see, this is normal like 500 to 600 rupees saree. I don't know, but my mom, right, she loved this texture, so she wanted to stitch a dress for me. Without my knowledge, she just went to the tailor and she just brought, she just made it to be stitched, and nothing, no design. I think it's just plain long gown, as it is trending floral design kind. Actually she just stitched it during my pregnancy, right? I literally wanted something to be free kind, like I wanted something to be not as to fit into my body. It has to be like as per my requirement. I got this one. Wait, my leg. Okay, wait, let me show you. And front, it is normal neck, and back though it is normal neck. It is normal neck, square neck, and if you can see, it's short. It's not even short, it's mini hands. It looks too cute, yeah, like, you know, chubby kind, like till this it comes, and no thread, nothing. It's normal plain, as you can see. Normal plain dress, floral dress. If you want to buy this in Myntra, right, it would be like around 600. So, you know, she just gave some 300 to the known tailor, and she made it to be stitched for me. It's good, no? You can update your wardrobe, and you can discard some stuff, and you can just, you know, get something new from the old. Getting something new from the old is really good, yeah, than getting some bad stuff from Myntra. Let's get into the third one. Done. Even this is my sister's saree. I'm damn sure that she's gonna screw me like anything. She doesn't know that I made it to be stitched. See? Okay. So this is plain blue color, if you can see. So I haven't bought the, you know, I haven't stitched this dress for, you know, party kind and all. Just for normal, when you're at home, if you want to go for shopping, or if you wanted to go for outing guide, you can just you know, fit into this dress, and you can just go and like slay like anything, right? So only for that reason I opted this. This is the blue dress, and even this is my sister's, as I told you. Top, it is normal plain without any embroidery work, and she has given the embroidery only for the hands, same cup hands. So it comes till here, the cutie wala, and down flare with all over embroidery. Old are really good here, old are really gold. Let me show you guys. So it comes like this. That's it. Okay. So I wanted to show you one more. It was a saree, and we haven't used this saree earlier. So directly I have given it to the tailor, stitched as a lehenga. This is the top, crop top kind. But it's not exactly crop top. It can, you know, it comes till here, as you can see, the top. And from saree perspective, this is the blouse. Okay, embroidery blouse, and as you can see, the neck part, it comes round with thread. Okay. And here is the skirt. It's plain skirt, flared, super duper flared. You know, you can twirl like anything, twirl and take a pics. Super duper one. I have a dupatta for this, and the same matching. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. You please let me know in the comment section below, like which one you like the most, and the first one, the first, or the second, or the third, or the fourth. Personally love the first one, you know, because that's onion color. As I told you, I was like searching for that kind of color earlier, but I couldn't find any. Fortunately, out from the waist, not from the waist of my sister, I'm going to upload a video on wearing all those anarkali gowns and lehenga in the coming up video. I wanted to have some little makeup at least, because I'm just in bare face without makeup. Okay, stay tuned for that video. Okay guys, chalo, bye 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 bye.